Mic check, mic check. Hopefully y'all don't not trash. Alright. Alright. Let's see what we get. Alright, so I think I left off. I was. What was I doing? I have no clue. Let me change this.
Do whatever I had to for you. I'd give you whatever I have.
What are you doing?
I'd give you my heart. Take it, 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 take
You know, we've been going together for like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Well,
I can do that. Just gonna have to air it for now. Can't like do a placeholder. It's a constant.
very much. Probably more than anybody could love another person.
What? Is it true or true? Oh, it's just about to turn about it. So it will look just like this. Wait. Wow. This is their charts. Validate. But it wouldn't be from the signature. It would be from m.params. It's already in that shape. That's going way easier. Alright. Is that how you loop and go over key value pair? Yeah, Hold on. Okay, I see what I'm doing wrong. I need this. Spelling that. Syntax is just like How do you set it equal? How do you do that? How do I set two values? Thanks, man. Appreciate it, Franklin. Only thing about Go is I don't know this, like, I don't like switching languages too much because I don't know the syntax. I don't know. How should I do that? I don't think you can do that. I can only use this in a type switch. I don't know. Yeah. I don't want to use the reflect packet. That's the only way. Yeah, so the only way you can do is if I set it as an interface or any type, and then I can do the dot, but I don't want to do that. So I gotta do it this way. Really? You still reflect dot type can't do slow. I don't really care. This is always going to. put stuff in this. I need to log this though, because I would want to see why it failed, like what parameter. I don't know. Maybe maybe I don't care. I mean, in the future, if I did care, I don't know. I don't really. Malform. I can't type. In the world, malform.
On the block, rain, sleets, no sun. Slow motion, don't nothing move but the money. Trap all day, with no lunch breaks. It's dinner time, but a gangster cooking pancakes.
Alright, I think that's it. I don't use this right now. Why don't I use this? Use this on. That's how I removed it. I'm still gonna need context, if I'm being honest. All this logic might get moved. Go to the code, JSON receive. I'll parse the message, do whatever. Errors propagate up and just continue. Okay, let's just do this like for status or something. I'm not think about it. I'm probably not gonna keep this here. I'm probably gonna move that to a separate file. And I'm gonna build on this. Alright, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. Quick work, I'm gonna use the restroom. I actually want to change his name. I don't like parse. It's not actually what it's doing anymore. What am I doing? It's past context. I was ready for the shot. I cannot type. I'm not used to this keyboard. It's ridiculous. Yo. I feel beyond slow. Actually, don't even need that. Just automatically have. I don't even know how I change it to. I think I just have to include that file. I think. I don't think so. Import cycle. Yeah, so I should automatically have access to there. Oh, okay, I do. Very interesting. So like I need to do type though. I could just do hold on. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if I want to expose this or not. Because now that I'm moving this, I could always just duplicate it. I don't necessarily want to expose it. And you know what? Wait, I don't, so I can use it or I can't use it? That's the question. I don't really get how this is working. 'Cause if I'm here, let's say I do some function, call it food, and I say a API dot all right. Let's see. So I'm not sure. Because if I don't expose it, okay, so I can only use exported types. I can't use unexported types. I don't know what the LSP is talking about. So I don't even know. So dude, I just gotta put this on the same. So expose both of those. What is it? Final replacement. It's not that many. I mean, this don't have to be a global variable as well. That way I can access it. I just wish I didn't have to do that. I mean, I don't necessarily have to. I don't have to do it. I can do it here. I can just do it there. So it's a type. Let's just do status. So say you have status, or you could just do like var status API dot lurch callback equals. Some function. me.
I don't even get a real name, only a purpose. I am capable of so much more, and no one sees it. Some days I feel so alone I could cry, but I don't. I never do. Because what would be the point?
Let me see what we got going on.
The
That's a new
entire
mix.
universe would care. Take it to your grave. Fucking Jay, please I come here, nigga, give him something to hate. Told this bitch get out my line, this is not a play. I got a whole nother line, I be making plays. In my pockets fat as hell, they said I put some weight on. Made a couple meals, I brought my chopper, sing like Trey song. And I be getting to that money, nigga, all day long. Yeah, bitch, I'm from Memphis, it is not a fake song. Yeah, this bitch looking at me, baby, what you waiting on? Hold up, I got nothing for you, baby, but a wait on. My main bitch mad at me cause a nigga stay gone. I'm just going to get this bag, I'll be back on take long.
Bro, sometimes a go build system, I don't get what the issue is. It's not like I literally have nothing in here. Like I just, the whole thing is a module, literatures. I don't. Could not import literature tournaments and metadata for import tournament files. Wait, do I not even need to? Okay, I don't need the API. It's just there. All right. Okay, it is. Wait, what? See, it's stuff like that when you don't know. Call myself searching it. All right. Well, yeah, so just okay. So this is how I gotta build functions to use, and then I could. And status arts, low charge. It's a map. I don't even think I see anything in here. No, it's nothing in there. I still gotta have it though. Can it just be a string? Thingy? Oh, it's Simon. What is the, oh, you know what? That's how you do it. No matter how many times I try. It's gonna be very bare bones. I have nothing to put in here right now. And then I'm just really just getting like an example. That's just me defining the type. So like, even here, I don't have to do that anymore. I can just do lurch arts. All right. Same thing with here. I mean, technically I could do that, but I don't. So basically, I will replace that with this from this package. So I want to separate the logic. So I just go one place to make functions. So I can just go status args. Oops, that was the wrong one. Hold on, dude. Alright, I go status args. And then status. I like it. Alright, so it basically looks something like that. Yeah. Alright. I'm fine with that. Well, the whole point was that for me to test it. Um, Are we going to
It ain't over, motherfucker.
I don't need any of that. I don't know, like, do I want to propagate errors? So the errors should get propagated, but do I want to like log? I do. I think I can just use slog. Now I can switch instead of just sending errors back at the actual like compute level, like the actual logic. I can use slog and then just write it to the log file. This is slog, right? How do I see if the what's the name is empty? How do I check if a map is empty? How to check if a map is empty in Golang. Oh, it's literally just linked. Okay. Wait, did I do that right over here now? Did not do that. Not arcs. Oh yeah, I already did that. Just look at that. Dude, I forgot. What should it be? I think it's a debug, right? Log.debug. Yeah. I think I can add stuff to this now. Okay. So empty arcs mount. I think you could just do like, and you just say like H. Can't even spell. me run this first before I don't think I need to change anything. That's literally the beauty of it. Just take everything out. Only just set up the log, set up the daemon, and then I just got like one for loop. So like eventually I'm getting rid of this, getting rid of all of that. That's going to the compute, or it might go somewhere else. Oh, it might go to this. Like all I have is just handle con, and then the handle con, or the handle the connection. Literally just exposed to API, so I can decode messages. I should be able to encode, but I don't think I need to encode messages. I mean, I am going to encode messages. I'm just not. I think I just don't send anything back right now. But eventually, I'm gonna send stuff back to the child workers, depending on the context, whatever it is. Where did I view the message? Oh, it's right here. So it should hit here, context that I'm not using it, but it gives it the message, the con to say stuff. Alright, so if I send, oh wait, it's right here. What would it be? Query. It actually doesn't matter what method it is, but when I do stuff and I log, I think it will matter. If you do like system stuff, like the functions, status, and can I just send down empty? Well, I'll do it on the other side. Let's try and build it now. It's probably not gonna run. That's my password. Oh wow, first try. If I get this working, I'm probably gonna leave. Let me see. Oh, this is Jaseci, by the way. It's a pretty cool programming language. It's like Python, but like graph-based. It's a graph-based like node type language. I don't think I need to change anything on it. It's a Unix socket, so I mean it works. Only thing that I need to make sure is that I actually, the whole point is it's a Unix socket, and I have my own kind of query language, and it's literally just JSON, but it's its own kind of schema, and that way it only accepts commands in a certain schema, and you don't really know the functions unless you know the function, so you can't just like call stuff like that. And it's like if you assuming that it's just a binary, then there'd be no way for you to know what the functions are. But yeah, I think that's it. So let's just I don't think I need to do anything. What I need to change? Status. I don't need to send any. I don't know if that's valid JSON or not. I just send it empty. Map. Alright, so. Oh, nice. Alright, we cooking with grease, bro. We are cooking. Alright. What time is it? Bro, it's almost. Wait. Oh no. I think this. Oops. Did I leave that in there? It's not. Message receipt. I think I left that in there. I'm sorry, here my face. Let's filter the code. Oh, sorry here. Oh yeah, I left that. Status map. Empty arcs. Okay. But yeah, so it's almost 8 o'clock. So I am. Well, let me kind of wrap up. And what else do I need to do? Like, honestly, I think the API is like done. Like, I mean, I can clean it up. I want to. I'm going where I'm going to. I don't know if I'm gonna stream or not. I might just not stream, but I'm basically gonna do JSON validation with my scheme. Now that I know what my schema is, I can just validate the JSON. I can reject it before it even gets when I decode the bytes. I can just put that in that function and I can just reject it. That way I know that the payload is what it needs to be when it hits the back end, like through the API. It's really nothing else I need to do after the JSON validation. And then after that, it's just going to just be actually, well, I need to, the next thing after the JSON validation is I'm going to do spawning the workers. So that's going to be with the Go routines. And that's going to get pretty complicated because I don't really fully understand Go routines. I understand like what they are and what they do, but I haven't really used them in depth. So it's gonna be a lot of reading and figuring out that. Yeah, but then once I get a system for spinning up Jacklang processes, and handling like the worker, like the master, or yeah, like the master worker architecture. I think that's like the next thing now that I got the API done with the Unix socket. So the next big thing is doing the master worker thing. Once I get that architected out and get that like the skeleton or the bones for that, then I can just tackle. Then I'm just gonna go really deep in Jackling, figuring out how I want that whole system to work. And I think after that, I mean, that's mostly just it, because the whole point of it is like it's almost like a framework or like an architecture that supports you going off to go get whatever data collection that you want off the internet. And all of that's going to be supported with just like a single Python script, right? So I can write a Python script that does like beautiful soup or like HTML. So basically you just do like a single Python script that is your standard data scraping, data collection type Python. And then I'm gonna have Jacklang executed, and then it's going to be able to self-heal. It's going to be able to do all the cool stuff, evasion, bypass, Cloudflare bypass, all of that kind of security type stuff, or rather evasion, rather. All of that just wrapped up into one system. I don't think I'm gonna handle the evasion with this. I actually have another, well, I have multiple things that multiple programs that I've written already that handles that, so I could just always just pull that in, and it's almost like its own separate service because of how just networking and stuff works. So I think that's really it. So I think I'm about to dip out. About to give me something to eat. About to chill out. I need to work out, so I'm gonna do that actually because I didn't work out this morning. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching. This has been another coding stream, coding episode with your boy Wayne. I'm about to dip. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Don't forget to be better than yesterday.